How to reset your TikTok For You page. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go to your account section. You can do that by clicking on the profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. Now open your settings and privacy by clicking on the three-line icon that is in the top right corner. When you click on that, then these options will pop up. From here, choose the last option, which is settings and privacy. Now scroll down and you will see an option called Content Preferences under the section of Content and Display. Simply tap on Content Preferences and this kind of interface will be opened. Here you will see options such as Filter Video Keywords, Restricted Mode, Refresh Your For You feed, Muted Accounts. Click on the third option, which is Refresh Your For You feed. Then this page will be opened. Here you can read the description to know more about refreshing your For You feed. After you are done, then click on Continue and click on Refresh. Now your For You feed will be refreshed and a set of new videos will be shown to you in your For You page. TikTok will also ask you the reason behind doing this, so simply click on any of the options that you are feeling, or you can simply click on the first option, which is Curiosity, and click on Submit. Now you can go back to your For You page and start watching new set of videos. So this is how you can refresh your TikTok For You page. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.